If you've ever wanted to grow your own food but don't have the space for that, you're not alone. Apartments, small kitchens, tight balconies, most of us aren't working with a big backyard. But that doesn't mean growing plants at home is off the table. That's where hydroponic towers come in. They're vertical, soil-free systems that let you grow herbs, greens, and veggies in places where traditional gardening wouldn't work. In this video, I'm going to walk through 7 hydroponic towers that are beginner-friendly and make sense for small spaces. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these hydroponic towers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the RF Nongyi Hydroponics Growing System Kit. This is the most budget-friendly kit on our list. The system uses a top-down watering cycle, which means water drips down evenly and gets reused like a fountain instead of being wasted. The tower holds up to 30 plants, which is a lot for the little space it takes up. It goes vertical, so it works great in apartments, kitchens, balconies, or even a garage corner. You can grow things like lettuce, basil, mint, strawberries, peppers, and cherry tomatoes. Seeds aren't included, but everything else you need is in the box. And the setup is simple. It comes with the pump, a timer, planting sponges, a seedling tray, and even a water level indicator so you always know when to refill. There's also a folding funnel, which makes adding water and nutrients way easier. The bucket holds 10 liters, and once it's full, it can last 1 to 2 weeks. The timer runs on a basic cycle, 5 minutes on and 10 minutes off without an app. Just plug it in and let it run. And here's what Jody wrote. This kit made growing lettuce incredibly simple. The setup was straightforward and I had sprouts in just a few days. I can hardly wait to harvest and taste my first lettuce. So if you want a hydroponic system that saves space, stays simple, and keeps costs low, this one is hard to beat. Number 6 is the Click and Grow Smart Garden. This is the best for beginners on our list. This is the system you look at if you've never grown anything before and want it to work. This one is completely hands-off. It doesn't have any noisy pumps or mixing nutrients. Just add water, drop in the pods, and that's pretty much it. The big reason it's so simple is the patented smart soil. Each pod already has seeds and nutrients. The nutrients are released slowly, right when the plant needs them. You don't have to add fertilizer and check pH. Just let it do its thing. The seeds are non-GMO, and there are no pesticides or herbicides involved. Now the grow light is built in and runs on a set schedule. It stays on for 16 hours and off for 8, which keeps plants growing all year. You can control the light and track plant progress using the app, which also gives tips and reminders. It's helpful, but not overwhelming. This model holds 9 pods, and the starter kit usually comes with basil, lettuce, and mini tomatoes. You can also choose from over 75 pod options or use refill pods with your own seeds. And this is what Suzanne said. It was an outstanding gift for my son's birthday. He was excited to have fresh herbs all winter long. He has an incredible garden in the summer. Plants are growing like crazy. Instructions were easy to follow. So if you want an indoor garden that feels simple, quiet, and almost impossible to mess up, the Click and Grow Smart Garden is the easiest place to start. Number 5 is the Nutraponics Pro Shelf with LED grow lights. This is the best for shelf-style multi-tier growing on our list. This tower has everything stacked into 4 shelves, so you're using vertical space instead of floor space. Across those tiers, you get 72 planting spots, plus an extra 85-site germination bed for starting new plants. And that's a lot of room in one setup. What really drives the growth here is the NFT system. It sends a thin flow of nutrient-rich water straight to the roots all the time. Because of that steady feed, plants can grow up to 40% faster than in soil. And it runs quietly thanks to a 550 GPH pump that doesn't draw attention to itself. The 40-liter tank is another big plus. You don't have to refill it constantly, which makes this feel more hands-off once it's running. The control panel helps with that too. You can set water cycles, nutrient flow, and lights, then just let it go. And the lighting is handled by full-spectrum LEDs that copy natural sunlight. They're strong enough for year-round growing, even indoors. And you can program the light schedule to fit your routine. So if you want a shelf-style system that grows big harvests in a clean, organized way, the Nutraponics Pro Shelf is a solid choice for serious indoor growing. Number 4 is the Alto Garden HX Aeroponic Tower with grow lights. This is the best aeroponic tower with lights on our list. This system is for people who want results without turning growing into a daily chore. Everything is fully contained. It waters itself. It lights itself. Once it's running, you only have to check it, not babysit it. This tower holds 40 plants, and it does that in less than 3 square feet. The walls are thick and solid, so you don't get leaks or loose joints. Each layer goes all the way around, which helps keep everything stable. The roots hang in the air and get sprayed with nutrients instead of sitting in soil. That extra oxygen helps plants grow faster. You can even have up to 3 times faster harvests and bigger yields compared to soil. And it also uses about 95% less water since the system recycles it. And the grow lights are adjustable and come with a built-in timer, so plants get steady light all day without you touching anything. You're also going to have a pump, nutrients, net pots, rock wool cubes, a pH pen, and even a small germination light. It's a full setup right out of the box. And there are no monthly subscriptions, which is a big plus. So if you want a high-capacity aeroponic tower with lights that's fast, efficient, and built to last, the Alto Garden HX Tower is hard to beat. And if you want to know the latest prices for the hydroponic towers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the GX Hydroponic Tower. This is the best modular/expandable system on our list. This tower is going to be perfect for you if you like the idea of starting small and growing bigger later. The whole tower is also fully contained, it waters itself and lights itself. And once it's set up, it feels more like checking on plants than actually working on them. The tower holds 24 plants in under 3 square feet, which is great if you don't have a yard or you're growing indoors. Everything grows vertically, so you're using height instead of floor space. The tower walls are thick and solid, and each layer is built as one piece all the way around. That means no loose joints and no leaks, which is a big deal with water systems. And as plants grow without soil, the roots hang inside the tower and get fed with water and nutrients. Because they get more oxygen, plants can grow up to 3 times faster than in soil and produce bigger harvests. At the same time, the system saves about 95% more water by recycling it over and over. The LED grow lights are adjustable and come with a built-in timer, so plants get steady light every day without you touching anything. In the box, you're going to have the pump, nutrients, net pots, rock wool cubes, a pH pen, and a germination light. It even comes with a rolling water tank to make moving it easier. So if you want a system you can build on over time that's clean, efficient, and flexible, the GX Hydroponic Tower is a smart pick. Number 2 is the Aeroponic Garden Smart Hydroponic Indoor Planter. This is the best for compact indoor spaces on our list. This smart planter is for people who want fresh plants without giving up half the room. It's tall but slim, so it fits in kitchens, small apartments, and even offices. You'll have space for 66 pods, which is a lot for something this clean and compact. And all of it runs on a 30-liter water system, split into 3 tanks. So roots stay fed and oxygenated without you checking every single minute. Now, the grow light uses a 53-watt full-spectrum LED with 2 modes. You can run it 16 hours or 22 hours a day, depending on what you're growing. The longer mode helps plants like tomatoes grow faster and heavier. As plants get taller, the light pole adjusts, so nothing gets burned or stretched. What I like is that the system feels smart. Each section has its own pump, so different plants can grow together without fighting for nutrients. Plus, the pump is quiet, the controls are simple, and cleaning is easier than you'd expect. All thanks to the built-in drainage paths. The setup is quick too. It snaps together in minutes, and the footprint stays small even when fully loaded. You can grow herbs, peppers, greens, and even strawberries year-round. So if you want a high-capacity indoor garden that fits small spaces without feeling cramped, the Aeroponic Garden Smart Hydroponic Indoor Planter makes a lot of sense. Number 1 is the Carpathen Hydroponic Tower Growing System. This is the best overall hydroponic tower on our list. This system feels complete right out of the box. You don't hunt for extra tools or guess what goes where. It's a 6-level vertical tower that can grow up to 30 plants at once, all in less than 3 square feet. That makes it easy to place in a kitchen corner, apartment, or even a small patio. What makes it different from others is how simple and beginner-friendly. It comes with full-spectrum LED grow lights and a 3, 9, or 12-hour timer, so plants get a steady day and night cycle without you thinking about it. There's also a quiet water pump, a 10-liter water tank, and a clear water level gauge, so you always know when to refill. You also get pH and TDS meters included, which is huge. That means you can check water quality and nutrients without guessing. The roots stay oxygen-rich, which helps plants grow faster, up to 3 times quicker than soil, and it uses about 95% less water. And as for the setup, it's simple. Maintenance stays light, and everything runs clean with no dirt or mess. So if you want the most balanced hydroponic tower that's easy to use and packed with smart features, the Carpathen Hydroponic Tower Growing System is the clear best overall choice. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect hydroponic tower. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each hydroponic tower. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.